talking all about Costa Rica and Lapoint and just the amazing time that we had there for the last month.
We spent 4 weeks learning to surf at Lapoint Surf Camp in Santa Teresa, and we are stoked with the result.
Yeah.
We went from like not so confident,
big foam boardies.
I mean, not me personally, I was really good.
I was on a 7-8 and I got down to a 7, so I was pretty stoked about that. But the teachers were great. We spent so much time in the water, got a really nice tan, which is slowly fading.
I know.
But it was amazing.
We share further information in a blog post on our website. We have a full review of our time at Lapoint Surf Camp in Santa Teresa, and we're sharing accommodation, food, other activities, how the surf lessons progress. And if you are interested, you did like the video, please click on that and you will find so much more information.
Yeah, so don't forget to like this video if you like it, comment and let us know your favorite thing about Costa Rica if you've been, and
subscribe.
Subscribing is so helpful to us because we know that we're doing a good job on YouTube, and also we can bring you more videos if you love what we do. So that would be really helpful.
Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
And go to Costa Rica.